Hello and welcome to Just a Minute using waste carbon feedstocks to produce chemicals. In this episode, we'll look at how companies recycle waste carbon to produce value-added products. My name is Elizabeth Nesbitt and I'm with the U.S. International Trade Commission. Carbon is a chemical element that is essential in the manufacture of chemicals that are used to produce everyday products and in the manufacture of liquid transportation fuels such as aviation fuel. Carbon dioxide, a product that contains carbon, has many useful applications, but can also be an atmospheric pollutant. The continuing increase in atmospheric CO2 levels is raising concern. Factories manufacture many products such as chemicals, steel, and cement that provide significant contributions to the U.S. economy. But factories also generate industrial emissions that contain waste carbon in the form of carbon monoxide and carbon dioxide. Companies are working to reduce industrial emissions and waste carbon using many methods, including recycling. Just as we recycle, manufacturers do too. Manufacturers can use carbon capture and utilization (CCU) technologies to recycle waste carbon, replacing the use of fossil fuels as process inputs. The new processes collect waste carbon on site and convert it into chemicals and fuels using processes such as fermentation and electrolysis. Many companies are developing a wide variety of CCU processes, and at least one firm has commercialized a fermentation process. This slide illustrates the new fermentation CCU technology that has been commercialized. In this process, industrial off-gases are mixed with microorganisms in a bioreactor, generating many different types of products that are separated and stored in the product tank. The individual products that can be produced are pictured in the circles at the bottom of the slide. This slide illustrates the new electrolysis CCU technology used in the pilot project RECODE, in which industrial emissions from a cement factory are collected and converted to cement additives using electrolysis. The cement additives can be marketed or they can be used in the cement factory process. In conclusion, there are many benefits of using these new CCU technologies. Manufacturers of steel, chemicals, and many other products can recycle waste carbon, potentially reducing emissions and waste carbon production, benefiting the environment, reducing use of fossil fuels, creating value-added products from waste emissions, lowering production costs for chemicals, and advancing the circular economy. I'd like to take this opportunity to mention that the U.S. International Trade Commission is an independent, nonpartisan federal agency that fulfills a range of trade-related mandates. Please contact me for more information about the U.S. ITC or my working paper. You can access the full working paper at the link shown here. And I'd like to mention, as noted in this disclaimer, that my working paper and this presentation do not necessarily represent the views of the U.S. ITC or any of the individual commissioners. Thank you.